Hey there, this is Zoe from RosterElf. Today we're exploring the Trends block so you can compare budgets across the past 5 weeks. By the end, you'll know how to add the widgets and read hours, pay rates, and labor costs. Let's jump in. How to add the roster trends, widgets. On your dashboard, select the Add Widget button in the top right. This opens the widget menu so you can choose the insights you want. Choose Roster, Hours, Roster, Labor Cost, and Roster, Average Pay Rate. This gives you weekly hours, estimated labor cost, and average pay rate views. Close the menu using the X in the top right to apply your selection. Your chosen widgets will appear on the dashboard ready to use. How to view hours over 5 weeks? Open the Roster Hours widget to see total weekly hours across all sites. This highlights where time is concentrated. Scan the 5-week trend to spot spikes or dips. Use it to check roster consistency and overtime risk. If hours drift from budget, adjust upcoming shifts or redistribute coverage. Small tweaks keep labor steady. How to review average pay rates? Open the Roster Average Pay Rate widget to compare hourly averages by week. This shows the mix of junior and senior coverage. Watch for upward shifts over time. Rising averages may signal more senior staff or higher weekend loading. Balance your next roster to align skills and costs. A stable average helps protect margins. How to estimate labor costs? Open the Roster Labor Cost widget to track estimated labor spend week by week. This connects staffing to budget. Make sure wage rates and award rules are current. Accurate settings keep the estimates reliable. Use the trend to sync staffing with sales forecasts. Early adjustments prevent budget blowouts. Thanks for watching. If you need a hand, our support team is available 7 days a week. Happy rostering!